In the past 10 years, the demand for our non-woven abrasive products has doubled in Europe, Middle East and Africa. Our new making plant in Maia, Portugal, will enable us to meet this growing demand and develop products specifically tailored to the needs of European customers, providing greater flexibility and increased responsiveness.
Our new non-woven plant in Maia spans an impressive 8,000 square meters, featuring a cutting-edge non-woven maker and conversion unit crafted to cater the escalating customer demand in the EMEA markets. Maia is a great example of manufacturing excellence embodying a commitment to improved efficiency and sustainability. Our pollution control systems and ovens boast state-of-the-art technology, resulting not only in a substantial reduction in gas consumption compared to conventional systems, but also significantly lower CO2 emissions. Additionally, our commitment to sustainability is underscored by the installation of photovoltaic panels. Our team in Maia is also fully dedicated to forge a more sustainable future by actively reducing our carbon footprint. This endeavor aligns with our purpose of making the world a better home, symbolizing our care and respect for the environment.